Yeah, because CCAs don't earn above $50,000 a year usually.
To support his family, he would need to make around $54,000.
I had two possible options. It was either to increase the number of hours that I was going to be working as a full-time, or for me to increase, or for me to get a job offer for my wife.
He almost lost the position, but a friend who had also immigrated had a job opening and hired his wife. Smith is calling for change, pointing to the requirements of the Atlantic immigration program.
My proposal is that they reduce the low-income cutoff for international graduates in demand to at least match the AIP requirement, which is 12.5%, or remove it entirely.
In a statement, the province says the low-income cutoff helps ensure applicants can support their families and that they don't rely on social support.